Removing the front bumper on the Volvo XC90. Now you don't necessarily need to remove the lights, but I like to get them out of the way because they're so easy to remove on the XC90. So just lift these two pins out, pull the headlamp assembly out of the way, and you've got this single connector here. Just lift up the red part and the connector comes off. Now on the lower corners each side of the bumper, you've got a trim clip to remove. So the type that I've got here are the ones where you push the centre in and remove with the trim tool. Now on each side of the radiator you've got a 12mm bolt. Now all you've got left is the sides of the bumper are clipped in. So if you take a trim tool, do the same on both sides. Now just off to the left of the centre of the bumper, you've got this feed for the headlamp washers. So if you press that side of the connector and remove. Now you've got the fog light connectors to remove. So if you reach down on the passenger side, you can undo the connector quite easily. Press the retaining spring there. Now on the driver's side, you can't get to the connector as easily, so you'll need to partially remove the bumper and remove the clip. And that was actually manageable on my own. So that's the bumper completely removed. I hope this video has helped. If you could take the time to like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. And thanks for watching.